Traders, it's Anthony here. What I want to do is go through the last 10 or so trade signals that I've sent into VIP and give you an idea of the outcome, win rate, etc. Here's an example of the type of thing that I send to my members. This is taken on one of my live accounts. So entry, stop loss, TP, everything provided. So back over to TradingView, what I've done is I've marked them up in green over here on the right, green highlight. I'll just start from the bottom and work up. So gold, nice outcome. Next one up, dollar Swiss. As you can see, another nice outcome. New Zealand dollar, this one's still in play. Pound dollar, nice outcome. Pound Aussie, another nice trade. Going up now. Euro Aussie. By the way, guys, if you would like signals like this, I invite you to join VIP. Head over to the website tradingwithanthony.com and jump on board with us. Bitcoin, this one I think is still in play. See how we go with that. The Aussie dollar, this one. TP1, we tend to take 2/3 of our position off the table, and the trade is in the money at that point. And then Aussie CAD. So you can see the results are pretty good. Again, here's an invite. Jump on board with us and join us on this journey. Head over to the website. The link's above, the YouTube channel. Click on that. Some information about our signals. Head over to the store, guys. Shout me a coffee and cake every month. I'll let you do the math. And there's other options there. I think that's pretty attractive. So with that, yeah, I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.